friends, this is a fun activity to do at home. This is called stuffing the apple. It's also lacing the apple. So you're going to have an apple which actually has two parts to it and holes all around. You want to make sure they're lined up correctly so that you can see the holes. You're going to take your lacer, go in, pull it through all the way so that it's nice and flush against the side. Then you're going to go in the next hole and the next hole. If you would like, you can decorate the apple before you start sewing or after you've sewn it, as long as it's still flat on the table. You can make a face if you'd like and have a silly apple. You can make a colored apple, any way you like. Right now I'm just going to have a white apple. And I've never seen white apples. Have you seen white apples? Maybe investigate, check it out and see if there really are white apples. I'm not sure there are. I've seen red apples, I've seen green apples, I've seen yellow apples, but I've never seen a white apple. So we'll have to see if that's true or not. Maybe if you cut it open, you might see the white inside. So I'm just about done sewing it through. You're going to want a part that's open, and you can stuff it with newspaper or paper that you're going to recycle. Just crumple it up, put it inside, crumple it up, put it inside. Then you're going to line your holes back up like this, and you're going to continue sewing it around just like this. Back through the hole. Got two more to go, one more to go. And then you can tie it off at the top. And then we have our stuffed apple. Looks almost as good to eat. Good job. Bye, friends.